Hello everyone, this is Aya and I am so super excited about this box. It came all the way from Netherlands and of course you know what's inside it because of the title, but still. Okay, let me cut these.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this box is art by Marlene, Artsy Arabia, her latest collection, and I am so happy about it because it has this Arabic theme because I am an Arab. So Arab means that all countries that speaks Arabic language, so Middle East countries. I'm from Egypt, so so I'm excited. So the first thing we have here, neon semi-moist watercolor paint, and brighter than the bright, Okay, so this we need an open and swatch it. Next we have, this is 12 by 12 paper design. No, take the box out so we can, see. Let's zoom. Oh, this is her original paints. I mean, she draws and colors everything. Beautiful. Next we have faux leather sheets, yellow, red, and navy. Look at the texture. Oh, I love the silver one, white, silver, and gold. Beautiful. Now let's come to the dies. Okay, I love it. Doesn't have a name. No. Okay, so this is, you can find it in the old mosque's window, and sometimes this looks like the place where the imam or the one who gonna pray, leader, I don't know, like a priest, the one who said the prayers. So we call it mihrab. So it can be a window, it can be a mihrab, or a place where imam stands to make everyone pray. Okay, so next we have the lantern. Of course, we love lanterns. I'm gonna try to attach some picture, for this one and for these lanterns, to show you some of our, culture. Oh, beautiful. These, okay, this can be a building, can be a mosque too. It reminds me of Egypt. I love it. Next we have Mandela. It's a die. Beautiful. Then next we have paper elements or some die cuts. Okay, like this. Look to the colors, look to the design. Palm tree, Saudi Arabia. I born in Saudi Arabia, so Saudi Arabia is full of palm trees. And best dates, you can just, take it or buy it, from Saudi Arabia. Camel, of course, if you go to the pyramids in Egypt, camels is the way, to go see all the pyramids. Beautiful. Some cities, old cities in Egypt, you will find the same buildings and colors. Again, you will see some pictures while I'm showing you the die cuts and doors. Aswan, sometimes they have these colorful clothes too. Beautiful. Okay, I love these designs. Beautiful. Oh, butterflies. Okay. So this is, I think, book 1. And this is book 2. these patterns. You can see it, you know, inside the mosques. And even in Granada, when I went to Spain, to the Alhambra Palacio, it has these designs, you know, on the wall and in the ceiling too. Okay. Lanterns, definitely. Camel. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. Sometimes we take picture like this, you know, we, you know, take our hair and cover our mouth and nose and just we show our eyes. This is really common, you know, our older days. We usually do that. Okay, that's really fun. Okay, let's see the stencils. Beautiful. Oh, I love this one so much. The flower. This one, amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, also she has a collage paper. So this you can use in mixed media and journaling. You know, use a gel medium and you can, you know, cover any surface. You know, here all the designs. Collage paper is really, really thin. Lovely. Now let's see the stamps. I'm trying just to find the name. Okay. So we have this one has like flowers, and sometimes we do this for henna. These, you know, with the flowers, as you see here. But this was a failure. I tried to do it myself, but it was a failure. Okay. And this beautiful owl. These buildings, and can be mosques or building. And the camel. Aww. Then we have here a watercolor, you know, paper, so you can stamp and watercolor. I need really to do a swatch for this one. And here we have some sentiments, white and sticky, black and white sticky coats. So ready-made. Old ways want to open, new doors, correct. Her sentiment is really nice. Oh, and this is the journal. I have the smallest one, but from, you know, an older collection. Okay, I need to see where I put it. Anyway, let me show you this one. Our journal. Beautiful. Yeah, it has pre-cut already all the watercolor paper, so you can do so many techniques because this is a watercolor paper, so you can add watercolor, paints, oil, gouache, whatever you have desires. And for example, if you're gonna use die cuts, you can keep it in this pouch. Okay. Next we have a metallic semi-moist water. Oh, this is metallic, sparkly and bright. And this one brighter than bright. I love metallic. Okay, okay, so this is Artsy Arabia, and these from a different release. I hope it's written. No. Okay, let me show you. Oh, it's a border die. Her style is really outstanding. I never see someone, you know, draw like her, or, you know, I don't know. Very unique. This is like flowers. Ah, frame die. You can add picture here. Normal is boring. Correct. She's just in a cupcake. Cute. This is a cookie dress. So cute. Then we have here, I think it's a small journal. This is a Korean one. Oh la la. And it's a thick paper. Okay, I have an idea for this one. Okay, so let's see the stencil. They call it mask. Okay, we have here a butterfly, Mandela. I'm just trying to make sure that there's no name. Okay. I love this pattern. You see here? Yeah. This one like leaves. This is flower. I can't. It's beautiful, you know. I can't wait to start to play and create with these stuff. Artsy Arabia will work very, very well with, you know, Ramadan and Al-Eid, you know, our holidays next year. Hopefully nothing will gonna happen. Yes, I can create so many, you know, cards on our journal using all these amazing stuff. I'm really speechless. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Next tutorial, I'll be swatching the watercolors and start, you know, doing some art journaling page. Thanks, bye.